Morgan's new flagship model, the Supersport, is a big leap in the company's model range, replacing the Plus 6. In this vehicle, the company has taken the role of holding on to its traditional design elements while incorporating modern enhancements that place the Supersport on the same level as leading brands like Porsche and Aston Martin. The Morgan Supersport has a familiar shape, which immediately evokes the marque's heritage, but adds a more aerodynamic and streamlined approach to its design. The front of the vehicle features a more aggressive bumper profile, with larger, more modern LED headlights now combined with indicators. This new lighting layout offers improved visibility and a more dynamic appearance, but still pays homage to Morgan's classic appearance. Pointing to the center of the car, the iconic horseshoe grille is present, but now flows continuously into the stretched vented bonnet, wedged firmly in between the old-school fenders. The fenders still contribute that retro vibe, but also serve to support the car's aggressive stance. The car also has 18-inch superlight wheels as standard fit, which are not merely aesthetic, but also contribute to reducing unsprung weight. For those desiring a premium finish, an upgrade to 19-inch forged aluminum aerolite wheels is available, providing a more premium look while enhancing performance. The rear of the Supersport introduces a more modern feel with a cleaner look with low-mounted LED taillights positioned in a stylized diffuser. The two exhaust pipes are integrated into the rear styling, adding a sporty element to the vehicle. The car can be equipped with a simple folding mohair soft top or an optional interchangeable carbon composite hardtop, allowing the Roadster to be converted into a coupe. This versatility provides drivers with the benefit of being able to customize the car to meet different conditions, preserving the vehicle's appeal throughout seasons. As with all Morgan cars, the construction of the body remains true to the past, utilizing aluminum hand-shaped over an ash wood frame. Surprisingly, 60% of the aluminum used in the body and frame is recycled material, consistent with the company's emphasis on being sustainable without losing its high level of production. Internally, the Morgan Supersport takes its cue from the Plus 6, with a focus on high-quality craftsmanship and comfort. Scottish leather trim and wood trim continue to provide a classic and luxurious feel, but the interior is available in a myriad of customization options for the owner who wants to further customize the interior. Perhaps the greatest improvement in the Supersport's cabin is the added storage capacity, including a glove box, a small boot, and even an optional luggage rack, which makes the car more practical for weekend outings. While the real capacity of the boot has not been disclosed, Morgan promises that it has well over sufficient space for overnight luggage and side screens, making it more useful than its predecessors, which were notoriously panned for their lack of space. Technology has also been included in the Supersport. A new, high-fidelity audio system by Sennheiser enhances the in-car experience, and the addition of a wireless charging pouch in the center console is a convenient touch. The Supersport is the first Morgan car to include hands-free calling, which further enhances the usability of the car on longer journeys and road trips. The Supersport rests on a freshly engineered CXV aluminum space frame chassis, which is more rigid and stiffer than the current CX chassis. This configuration brings better handling and more precise driving for an additional level of driving enjoyment for drivers who get behind the wheel. Additionally, the car boasts a re-engineered suspension system with more travel, contributing to smoother and more placid riding. Morgan also offers performance enthusiasts the option of adding adjustable nitron dampers and a limited slip differential for an even more customized setup that helps deliver cornering ability and stability. Despite these upgrades, the Supersport remains relatively light, tipping the scales at only 170 kilograms curb weight, which makes it more suitable for fast handling and reactive performance on mountain roads as well as freeways. Under the bonnet, the Morgan Supersport has a BMW-sourced 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine. The engine produces 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, the same as the now obsolete Plus 6 model. The engine is mated to an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, which is routed to the rear wheels, giving silky smooth acceleration and effortless cruising. This powertrain setup provides a great compromise between power and efficiency, with plenty of performance for performance driving and decent fuel economy for its class. The responsive handling and smooth suspension both provide a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The Morgan Supersport is priced at $110,000 before tax, with the on-road price in the UK at $136,000. The car can be further customized with other extras, such as the Aerolite wheels, priced at $8,500, or the Active Sport exhaust system, which is available at an additional cost of $3,900. The extra upgrades allow the buyer to tailor the Supersport to suit their specific requirements, whether it is performance, appearance, or comfort. Every Morgan Supersport is hand-built at the firm's Pickersley Road workshops, with every detail specified to the very highest standards of quality. Orders are currently being taken, with the initial examples due to arrive at UK dealers for demonstration drives in mid-April. For anyone who wants a true bespoke driving experience, the Morgan Supersport is a classically styled, high-performance sports car that blends elements of its heritage past with the best features of today's technology and represents a proper successor to the Plus 6. The Morgan Supersport is not a facelifted Plus 6. It is a testament to the company's bravery in reinventing without forgetting its heritage. With its new face, enhanced interior, and less aggressive driving dynamics, the Supersport offers a more practical yet sophisticated driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts seeking performance and practicality. Its balanced fusion of timeless tradition and the latest technology gives it a great sense of excitement as a new direction for Morgan's product family, as well as being an out-and-out flagship to its extensive history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you next time.